In the last decade, Kaizer has evolved to the highest level in everything from high speed, stability, and expandability. Kaizer's exquisiteness means more than a detail. Kaizer speed creates more than being faster. Not only the high processing speed, but also with experts' insights. The ultimate Kaizer XX has been completed. To harmonize with busy modern lifestyles and eyeglass frames. Produced by various brands, Kaizer XX completes the fashion sensibility with the best technology. For the fashion beauty, the frame materials have been diversified, and we have developed the tracing method for them. Precise tracing is possible without any errors on the frames. The tracing mode for Ultem, which is flexible and easy to be deformed, has been added. Also, it can accurately trace from high-curve sunglasses to demo lenses. Huvitz Kaizer XX can minimize the preparing steps for edging significantly. By one button, it automatically proceeds blocking by recognizing tower, axis, markings on progressive lenses. It provides automatic and manual bevel position adjustment, which makes accurate fitting by considering lens curve and thickness. By one button, the hydrophobic processing mode prevents axis slippage with safety options such as clamp pressure, lens rotating speed, and etc. By importing OMA files, famous brands' frames can be immediately processed without design work. The rimless glasses of boutique design can be easily processed with Kaizer XX. It's also possible to create your own unique rimless frames with a digital pattern and hole editor. The OMA files of famous brands or saved jobs can be imported and processed immediately. The digital pattern function supports editing size, shape, axis of lens as users want, enlarging the bottom side for the near segment, and making the shape sharp or blunt, and even restoring the shape of damaged demo lenses. These are all at users' fingertips. Kaizer XX has been developed in maximizing the usability of its built-in drill. It's easy to add hole, slots, notches of circles, and rectangle shapes, and even easier to add from the preset patterns menu or a saved drill job. Users can create and make rimless glasses with ease and quickness. For unique frames of boutique designers that don't allow small errors of 0.1 millimeter, Kaizer XX has been upgraded one step further to help create any innovative design with its applied grooving functions. Kaizer XX can make special design glasses that have been sent to special labs for most users with standard edgers. It supports processing two-fold combination chosen from bevel, flat, and grooving. Creative and exquisite shapes can be cut with the built-in drill, which can never be cut by the finishing wheel. From multifunctional sports goggles to boutique premium designs, Kaizer XX with built-in drill can create them by one stop. Therefore, accurate fitting with customer satisfaction is possible. Kaizer XX not only scans the shape and step bevel line of sports goggles with high precision, but also prevents shape distortion caused by the effect of gravity. Added with 2 times faster and robust built-in drill, anything can be processed one stop, from drill cutting and to stop bevel. The final evolution of Kaizer. Redefine. Recreate. Huvitz.